God's gold sea moss. First of all, we would always like to start by saying all praise is due to the Most High. Uh, and may you all have a blessed day. Hopefully, you can live as long as you want and never want for nothing long as you live, in the words of my partner Sinful. But anyway, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your sea moss. You clean your sea moss to get it ready to soak it to make high quality sea moss gel. And it all starts, of course, with high quality sea moss, good quality sea moss. Okay. Uh, if you want to know what good sea moss is, or distinguish good sea moss from not so good sea moss, you can go back and watch the video that we put up earlier today, our first video on our newly formed YouTube page, and it can tell you all the ins and outs. Let me clear something up. Some people say it's no such thing as fake sea moss, that it's either wild crafted or it's pool grown. Okay, so basically it's either wild crafted or it's cloned. We only deal with high quality wild crafted sea moss that comes straight from the protected waters of St. Lucia. But in the words of Dr. Sebi, I gotta let you know, Dr. Sebi said if it ain't real, it's fake. So you can distinguish from yourself. I guess something is better than nothing. But anyway, you gotta have a good high quality sea moss to start with. And you only want to use much as you're going to use, much as you're going to need for yourself for the week or for 2 weeks. So you don't want to start with a whole lot, You start with a little bit, maybe a handful like that. Always like to put a little extra just in case, you know what I mean? So we'll start off with that, Now, you always want to use spring water or purified water or something to deal with, because you really don't want your sea moss touching no tap water. Now, I've seen a couple videos where people do use tap water. They say they in places where the tap water is pretty good. So if that's the case, like I said, something is better than nothing, But we like to pour a little bit of. This is not the soaking process. This is just the cleaning and scrubbing, getting all this stuff comes from the ocean. It's from the sea. So it comes dirty. It's natural. It came out of the ocean. You know what I mean? You want to clean it. Make sure you get all the grit and grime out of it. You know what I mean? And make it as good as you can make it. As pure as you can make it. It's the same way when you pick your broccoli, which is fake. I'm sorry. I should have said something else. But when you pick a vegetable, your kale or your greens or anything, when you take them out the ground, they dirty. You have to wash them. You have to clean them. It's the same thing with sea moss. Yeah, same thing with sea moss. You have to clean it, and that's what we're gonna do now. So you want to take a little bit of water, put in there. You also want to take you a lime. Hand me that knife, cutting board over here, please. No, don't pull that out the camera. Leave that there. Let it sit. Get your cutting board. Cut your lime. You want to put that good water in there, and you also want to put you some lime juice in there. Lime juice in there. Lime juice in there. Juice of 1 lime. You see that? Yeah. Yeah. That's what you want to do. Get all that lime juice in there. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. I'm sorry I'm so hyper, y'all. It's this good sea moss. Alright? It turned me into somebody. I feel like Superman. I can split this damn lime in half. Here we go. Now, you just want to get in there. You just want to get in there. You want to clean it. And, you want to get in there and just clean it out good. Get all that ocean out of there. Now, we're not soaking this yet. We just cleaning this. That's it. We just running our hands through it. Getting to know our sea moss. Feeling our sea moss. Loving it. Touching it. Putting some some more God in it, some love in it. This food is alive. So you want to talk to it and thank it. Thank you for the nutrients you about to put in my body. Thank you for the blessing. Thank you to the Most High for this creation, this wonderful superfood, because it is a superfood. It's going to get in your body and do the Tootsie Roll up in you, you know? Yeah. You want to get in there. All right. So now we done washed that, cleaned it good. We done let it sit for a minute. We want to take this, put this in the strainer. Make sure we got all that out of there. Go pour this out for me, my beautiful assistant. And it's our anniversary. We ain't saving that one yet. We're going to save the water that we soak it in. Just pour it out. Okay. Now, we're going to put this back in there. You understand me? Now we got that back in there. Right? Move this. We're going to fill this up with some more water. Make sure it's good water. Okay? Want to make sure that that's covered up in there, because we want to let this sit for at least 4 to 6 hours. But I say preferably 12 hours overnight. You know? Keep putting that lime juice in there. Cut up a fresh lime. Those the two from the last video. Oh yeah. They have my limes in the refrigerator, so it makes it a little harder because my refrigerator gets extremely cold. Cold as a hooker's heart, like they say from the start. Sorry, it jumps out of me sometimes. All praises to the Most High.
That P on you.
Big P.
Big P.
Capital.
P.
Oh! Let's see that. Get this lime juice. Lime juice. That's it. All right. So now, that's done. Your sea moss is clean. It's been washed. Now we let it soak. We're going to let it soak for a few hours. After you're done doing that, you clean up. You do your cleanup. Okay? And just like magic, we're going to stop this video. You dig? And when it come back on, it'll be 12 hours later, and you'll see what this looks like. Actually, I might come back in 4 hours and turn it back on and let you see how it started looking. Interlude. I'm sorry, y'all. I just soaked it, put it in here. Y'all seen this part of the video, but I want to make sure you tell you, when you put it in your bowl to soak it, put some type of cover on it. Let it sit. You don't want dust from your house or bugs or flies or gnats or anything jumping in your sea moss. Cover it up. Let it sit. And I see y'all in a couple hours. So here we are back again. It's been 8 hours or so. So let's look at what we got here. Out of that little bit of sea moss that we had in there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, it smells so good. Smells so good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna whip up some of this motion in the ocean. Right? We're gonna make us some sea moss gel out of this. Right? Take you a handful. Look at all that. That's triple the size of what we had right there in one handful. Let's see here. Baby, you're gonna have to make sure we got some clean jars for this.
Do it in here, right?
No.
Oh,
I'll put it in the 32. Make sure the one that we use, clean them out good real quick so we can have them. Alrighty. Thank you, Mama. We're gonna do half and half. That's at matter of fact, we want to take it up to 6 ounces, 16, 32. Let me might be 32 right there. Let's see. Let's see. You know what? We'll do it like this first. Wherever you got your sea moss at, bring your water up to about the same level. You know? And that's how we're gonna do that. Might as well put one bottle in there. Make it up to that level. Put your top on and watch this baby dance. So it's gonna dance first. But the key to good sea moss gel is you have to let it blend until it gets smooth. That's the key. Let's go. And there you have it. Seemed a little quick to you guys, but I actually let this blend about 5 to 6 minutes because I don't have this a real super high-speed blender. I have a regular little cheap Walmart blender, so I let it blend a good 5 to 6 minutes. If you have a real high-power blender, you can get it done as quick as 2 to 3 minutes. All right, now you want to have your glass jar to put your sea moss in. When you're done, oh, that smells good. You want to have a glass jar to put your sea moss in. Smooth as a baby's behind. That one little bit of sea moss almost made me 32 ounces of gel. And there you have it. Wild crafted, organic, St. Lucia sea moss gel. After you blend your gel up, you're gonna want to let it sit with the top off for a little while to let it settle. Then get it in the refrigerator and let it cool down. And start enjoying as soon as possible. There we have it. Your sea moss gel. This is how it's made. This is how you're gonna get it from us. Well, I decided to put on another video, I'm sorry guys, to show y'all how much gel we actually get out of that little bit. That's one jar, and now I'm doing the second jar. So alrighty. 6 minutes later, and here we go. See what we got out of this. Ooh, that's smooth. Now that's smooth. That's smooth sailing, baby. So out of that little bit of sea moss that we put in that bowl, y'all better come shop, man. Get healthy. Come get healthy. Please. God's Gold Sea Moss. Pure St. Lucia Sea Moss Gel. And we ready for your business. We even more ready to get you healthy. Health as well. Let's get healthy. All praises.